Vertical impact sand crusher is equipment that smashes collected rocks to produce coarse aggregates in crushed stone sand. Through a rotor that is installed inside, rough stones sprinkled outside and injected rough stones class each other repeatedly to produce finer stones. This process can be repeated to crush them until they become a certain size to produce crushed stone sand. The internal structure of a rotor, the essential part, is composed of a body, top and bottom wearing plates, a rotor tip, a tip wearing plate and a dispersion cone, etc. If you look at its detailed operation, first, aggregates are injected and distributed to the inside of the rotor through the dispersion cone that rotates above 1000 RPM. Then they are evenly distributed by top and bottom, wearing plates before discharge. At this point, the rotor tip protects the body by injecting aggregates in certain direction, which come out at accelerated speed. However, the dispersion cone goes through abrasion and damage with average 120 hours of replacement time, so it requires a lot of time and cost for replacement. To improve such a problem, Kwanpo Industry has been able to manufacture a dispersion cone that has steel cone base with pieces of cemented carbides assembled and fused with independent technology, so it is more shock resistant and wear resistant. Existing chrome products have averaged 120 operation hours, whereas our products have more than 1,000 hours in average, so the replacement time and costs have been significantly decreased. Also, Kwanpo Industry is manufacturing top and bottom wear plates and rotor tip with cemented carbides, facilitating our independent technology, which was used for dispersion cone. This extends lifespans of sand crusher and rotor, so it has effects of increasing efficiency of aggregate production and decreasing costs of facility management at construction sites. As for equipment production companies, it can also increase reliability for production facilities. Kwanpo Industry delivers dispersion cones of various sizes according to vertical impact crusher specifications of domestically leading crush equipment production companies, and our independent technology has been recognized for its technical skills. Also, we will advance to overseas markets to become a leader in global facility construction market.